Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to prepare whipped cream out of Go cream, Go fresh cream, which has 25% fat like that of Amul cream. So we will cut open this Tetra pack and put it to a bowl. Under this bowl in which we take cream, another bowl which has ice cubes should be kept, as we want it to be cold until the whole process gets over. So the cream should also be extremely chilled, and bowl in which the cream is taken should also be chilled previously. Now I'm using Orpat hand mixer, the blades of which should also be chilled previously. So everything which is used here should be kept in the refrigerator for 1.5 to 2 hours. So I'm starting to whisk here. This takes around 15 minutes, the whole process. If you take more fat cream, the time will reduce. So as it is a low fat cream, the time is more for it to become thick. Now the cream is become thicker, so you can expect soft peaks now. At this stage you can add icing sugar. Here I'm not adding anything. So this whipped cream can be used for icing the cake and making ice creams. So other than this hand mixer which I am showing here, you can use fork, but fork will take longer duration. So in the next video I'll show how to whip cream using fork. Now the soft peaks are formed. Now we'll whip for another 5 to 7 minutes to get the stiff peaks. Initially we do it in the low speed and later increase the speed. See, our stiff peaks are formed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos like this.